Hello, and thanks for joining me. Well, every once in a while you gotta stand back and regroup and reorganize. And that's what I've been doing the last couple of days. I built a new stand for my mill, raises it up 6 inches, and it's been kind of a chain reaction ever since. So today I'm going to move things around in the shop, make it a little bit more convenient. And I'm going to try out these little dollies for moving machines around. I don't think they're really meant for machines, but I think they'll work. Anyway, let's get on with it. I'm rated for 1,300 pounds. My lathe is about 600, I think. That's 1,300 pounds for all four. Could probably use a little help here. This will work. Well, it's working fairly good. I had a little trouble. I keep trying to come out from underneath the They're not rolling very good. They really need to be steel wheels for concrete. Now I'm going to take them out from under the lathe and move my mill. I built a new table for it, or a new stand. I got it hanging from the ceiling. Yeah, it's not currently hanging, but it was. So I got to lift that up and put those underneath it. Here's a problem I had. This little rubber thing was right there. And when the lathe legs sat down on it, it did like that. That's a design flaw. Put all the weight pressure right there. It would have been better if it was like that. But I just took it out, put a piece of steel in there. That way all the load is transferred to the corner, or most of it. That's as far as I can go. A little balance issue here. I got an idea. Don't ask me how I'm going to get these out. The mill is under the rated weight that these will hold, but I don't know if the weight is even enough. In other words, there might be over the weight limit on that front side, so we'll see. I don't think so, but you never know. Well, it rolls, but certainly not very good. I don't want any obstructions on those little wheels. Unfortunately, there's no good place to lift this from, like there was on the other location. So I'm going to have to figure out a way to get this off the movers. It's only an inch. No problem. Yeah, that did about what I figured it'd do. I'm going to open the garage door. I don't like being between the garage door and this mill. Not exactly where I wanted them. Moved around a little bit when I got them out. So now I just got to figure out how to slide that mill a little bit. I got a feeling 2 people can do it. I don't think I can. Well, yeah, I did. Cool. I like it. Well, there it is. I'm happy. I'm going to have to do something about the lighting over there. It's not so good. Yeah, overall these things worked okay. That right there is kind of a problem. There's a lot of these out there on the market. I'm not going to say these are the best ones. I would look for something with steel wheels. These got like a real hard rubber. They're meant more for furniture moving than machine moving. Yeah, I like it. The reason I did this, I wanted my 2 lathes to be close together, that one and this one. And that's where my mill was, and I was all the time running across the shop to get tooling for the other lathe. And I plan on putting a cabinet under that like I did my lathe. Also raised the stand 6 inches from the old stand. Way better visibility. Anyway, that about wraps it up, and thanks for joining me.